Hello friend, this is from Carving Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 200 liters model planetary mixer for Spain client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material for resin and epoxy-based ceramic filler, high viscous material. For the whole mixer, we make it explosion-proof type, including the motors and the cable and the electricity cabinet. And the left one is we equipped the pressing machine for the material discharging after mixed, which will be transferred into the pressing position and for the discharging process. Okay, let's take around to see the mixer. We can see the motors on the top and the back side. We use the Siemens brand motor for the all-driving system. And for the reducer, we use a hard-tooth fit reducer connected directly to support the strong power. We can see this is explosion-proof type cable and the cabinet and the motors. This is a hydraulic system. We use this system to drive the whole top part lift and down. After lifted, we would see the mixing blade structure. And the yellow one, including as well as the vacuum pump, consists of the vacuum system, so we can create the vacuum environment during mixing for the bubble removal. This is a big top cover. We equipped the material feeding part, both for the powder material feeding part and the liquid material feeding part. And these valves are for vacuum release and vacuum connection. Two windows. This window is for the check during work. And another one, we equipped a light to see inside the situation clearly. This is a vacuum meter. For the jacket, for the vessel, we equipped the jacket because a requirement during the work, client will connect the jacket to their cooling system. Also, we can see the temperature display both for the inside material and for the jacket. We remain two parts. You can see that. And this is a explosion-proof type electricity cabinet. Let's focus on the panel. This is voltage meter and ammeter. Two inverter panels. One is for the high-speed dispersing disc shaft, and another is for the twisted type blades, low speed. Temperature display for material and the jacket. For the buttons ones, these two buttons is for the high-speed dispersing shaft, start and stop. These two buttons is for the low-speed mixing blades, start and off, and the vacuum system open and close. This is for the top part, lift and down. For the light, emergency stop button. And now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. We would like to make a simple test for the mixing function. I open the light, we can see it work. So we can check the inside situation via this window. With the light, we can see inside clearly. And then we started. First, we started the low speed. We can control the speed via the tools. This is a knob. Okay, first we give it a low speed. And then we make it lifted to see it clearly. Via the hydraulic system, the whole top part lifted. We can see it clearly. Okay. Now the high-speed shaft just now not started. We can see that the twisted type blade is rotating. Also, we equipped the scrapers both for the inner wall and the bottom. So I just would like to start the high-speed shaft. And we can give it a speed here. After that, the shaft speed would be displayed on the inverter panels. We give them low speed. No problem. And now I would like to make the speed higher. This one. Working stable. And now I would like to stop it via the emergency stop button. You can see that once pushed, it stops suddenly. And then I make it down. So this is a simple test for the basic mixing function and hydraulic system for the new finished 200 liters model Planetary mixer for spent client for high viscous material. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. This is from Conveyor Machinery, technology company in China. Thanks for watching.